15 minutes. Did I go through with you the main, where to put the equal sign and all that in the algebraic English, right? I've gone through already, right?
Putting in equal sign and removing equal sign.
I explained to you everything already, how to put equal sign.
Yes.
Equation, then simplification, the different styles. All day already.
Except for Nicholas.
Okay.
Equals don't worry.
Wait, you all can start your... Have you all been looking at the solutions I sent you?
No, Sean.
Upside down can rotate lah. Right click, rotate. Hey, hello. If the... I know the earlier pages were upside down, some of the pages, right? You just have to do right click and there's this thing called rotate clockwise. Just rotate. Then you say, don't be a dart lah, okay? Say, if not, you still cannot, you rotate yourself. Rotate the monitor. So many solutions. Right now? If not you do a Spider-Man, you hang upside down.
Spider-Man.
Then read the screen. See, got so many solutions, no problem. Okay? Alright. So iPad.
Can lock the orientation.
You all bring your netbook or not? Yeah.
Yes.
Then your netbook is you netbook I got solution, you put it flat, then you stick it to the other side. See, so many solutions. God, no excuse, Then can do. That's how I'm say. No excuse. God, spot on. Okay, I said for those who have been earnestly revising for your test, I know some of you only do one day before. Or maybe a few hours before. Right? Okay. Anyway, there has been a strong relationship, direct proportional relationship. Those who do well in maths will win the interclass soccer. Sure, Mr. Ray.
Mr. Ray, my father's from Manchester United, you know.
No, he's not.
I know.
They lost to Man City.
Still suck.
Oh, they still playing Man City.
It's gonna be obvious who do well in the maths is gonna do well in the...
Mr. Ray is in Champions Final League. You think Chelsea gonna win or Bayern Munich gonna win?
I've always been a German supporter. Anyway, I think John Terry is the most useless football player.
John Terry sucks.
If they kick him out, maybe I will like Chelsea.
High five.
Torres is pathetic.
You know that this picture of
Alright.
Andrew's was top 100 and 20.
Champions Final League.
Guys, okay. For those who have been going into an email, you have seen the two solutions I sent you. See the solutions when you say fundamental algebra, you have all the 5 worksheets there. All the solutions. Then under the algebraic equation, you have all the 6 there. So you have basically 11 worksheet solutions there. Alright. Plus, I just sent you 2 more. One is your linear graph.
Oh shit, linear.
Okay. Linear graph, the solutions are there. All the 3 graphs. Okay. Then, you know the surprise test?
Yeah.
The solutions also there. Alright. Okay. I strongly recommend, I think your linear graph you just learned, right? I think it's quite easy, isn't it?
Carrot.
Alright. Can I quick finish? Okay, linear graph is quite straightforward. You just learned it. You just have to know the procedures. I recommend you spend more time in algebra. Okay? You're not watching the videos, huh? Hey, okay. For those, how many of you here totally don't know what's linear graph?
Only know X and Y. All I know is X and Y. That's why we know X and Y code.
Hey, only you know Nicholas.
No, I attend the lesson. I see, I can see.
What about Mark's talking?
Whatever I hear is like cut every 2 seconds.
Okay, wait. Your paper is which day?
Thursday. Next Thursday. You say I like chicken rice earlier.
Better run, better run.
Hey, Niklas, how come you suddenly say I like chicken rice?
You're on MC, right? Huh? You're technically on MC, right? Okay, this period,
John Terry is
this period. TPE, right? Okay. Who will teach me this, Okay, John Terry is almost to you. You come home to 1 before. I give you a crash course.
Crash course.
Where's crash? Floor is second floor, all the way to the end. Okay? Alright. You also you okay?
Same class as
They'll be doing the test. So you just come and sit there out. Alright. Okay. I want to talk about some more things. Next, okay, I want got some important things that I want to discuss with you.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, whose things are these? Alright. Park,
Yes.
what did I say in the last few lessons? The algebra revision.
About what we make the mistake the most. Something like that. Something like you give us this, some of that, and then we anyhow put the equal signs on this.
Equal signs.
Yeah, equal signs.
Where to put the equal sign?
Normally is like, so if you go for equation, you for the next step you don't put equal sign before. If not you keep going for equal.
So that means if I write one line, right, how many equal signs must you see?
One.
Let it be simplification or solving equation. You will only see one equal sign every line. Okay? If it's simplification, you see the equal signs at the side like this. If it's an equation,
In the middle.
you see it in the middle like this. Alright? And every step is actually continuous. So please do not squeeze in unnecessary steps. Like for example, I see people do this. Can I borrow a pencil? Okay, some of you I tell you how you work. You do this. Do you see that? You see this? What are you doing? Look at the extra pencil marking there. This one, right? What are you doing there? No, what exactly is this person doing? You're trying to simplify the left side, right?
Yeah.
Correct or not? You're actually trying to simplify the left side. But that's what I said. Every step is continuous. And remember from here, you go to this step, it's discontinued already. You get what I'm saying or not?
Yes.
So whatever simplification you do, you know that 3, 6 minus 2, 6 is 1, 6, right? You have to show this. Not necessary, right? Straight away you go to this step, next step. Right or not? Like I told you last week, the presentation, this is the kind of presentation you see consistently throughout. Okay, don't come and add your own funny things. When you add your own funny thing, it really clearly shows that you have not been learning from class. You're trying to read up from somewhere or trying to come out your own method. Okay? If your method is right, of course no problem. If your method is faulty. Okay? Alright? Okay, next point. Okay, now I'm going to go into a bit more technical things. Mistakes. Not just presentation, it's about mistakes. Okay, one thing is, this is my mistake. Better highlight to you all first, because I discussed this with my maths department. Okay, when you have a square equals to 9, when you square root it, there is two answers actually. 3 or minus 3. Okay, there are two ways to write it. Either you put 3 or minus 3, or you put plus minus 3. Can you see that plus minus there? Alright? And all these solutions are given to you, so you can look at it. Alright? And some of them I put a star there to make sure that you look at it. Okay? So the plus minus, because if a is minus 3, you square it, you get what? 9 also, right? Minus 3 square, minus 3 times minus 3, you also get a positive 9. 3 square, which is positive 3 times positive 3, you also get positive 9. So that means a can be two different values. You get it clear?
So you must first plus. Why if we write 1?
Okay, then you won't get your mark. If it's a 1 mark for the answer, you will get 0.
Get half a mark.
It's school then. We always get half a mark.
If you get, normally in this kind of question, it's only 1 mark. You have both, you get 1 mark. You don't have 0. Okay, either you have both or not. Take note of this, okay? Alright. Okay, let's look at this question. Again, a lot of you, your flow of presentation is very poor. Okay, some of you at this point, you got from here. I'll show you what you did. Some of you, from here you went on to get x equals to 2y. You get it? You divide by 4 both sides, you get this. Then after that, straight away you did this. You see what the person has done? Can you see?
Oh, 2y.
Can you see what the person has done? Do you understand the method? Some of you very blur, right? I changed his method a little bit, okay?
It's correct. It's correct.
This is version 3, version 3.
Whoa.
Let's see.
Is it clearer? You see, because I added this thing in, right? You can see the flow. That I replaced the x with the 2y because from the first line.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You see, compared to this, this is clearer. what happens here is you get x equal to y straight away, you can come to this. You're not telling the examiner what you're doing. Because the question says find what?
X over Y.
The question asks you to find x over y, not 2y over y. So you must show that you're actually finding x over y. So you write x over y first.
Oh.
Then you show that you replace the x with the 2y. Then you get 2. Then your answer, if I look at my answer, is x over y equals to 2 or not? Did I solve the question?
Yes.
Yes. Do I see that here?
No.
That's the difference. Those who use this method in this don't have that one. So you cannot just leave. I keep telling you, you must think like what everybody would think. You cannot just go according to your own method. Because the marker is the one who is going to correct you, not yourself. Okay? Best, some of my students I've seen in my past, I give them back the question and say, what are you doing? They also don't know what they're doing. Even they themselves don't understand what they're doing. You see? Alright, so you've got to be very clear. That's why there's a universal understanding that is going to be established. Okay? We have been talking about it many times already. When you do maths, when you write something, the other person must understand what you're doing. Alright? Okay, I don't understand why this question a lot of people problem. Somehow, you move around, I tell you, I think the problem lies with you carry over.
Oh.
If you just stick to balancing equation, you won't make so many mistakes. Okay? The problem lies with some of you want to bring over, then you make mistakes. Alright? Look at this question. Do you think it's very difficult? More than half the class got it,
Which one?
Weird, right? Weird.
Where is it?
Weird or not?
Yeah, very weird.
Very weird. I don't understand why so many get it wrong. The last part, 3 divided by negative 0.3, you just use the calculator. You see. Some of you can do it mentally, it's my understand. Hey, I don't know how many times you asked this question. What, Jared? Okay, another big problem. Algebraic equation. Algebraic equations or algebraic simplification, algebraic fraction simplification. Now, whenever you see algebraic fraction, I expect mistakes because somehow you just cannot use the same idea as you do it in your normal fractions, your normal number fractions.
Change the denominator.
Yeah, change the denominator, right? Okay, let's say this kind of case. What did I say? I look at denominators, what I don't like. What do I normally do?
Change it all to the same. Change it all to the highest number.
Either you can make all of them the same, or what do I normally do? Make it into one fraction. There's another way I told you. What do you think I've done here?
You remove the
We go to the denominator.
Yes, I remove the denominator. To remove the denominator, I times the left and the right by something that is common to both so I can eliminate everything. Okay? But of course there are multiple methods. So in this case, I actually multiply both sides by 6. I multiply both sides by 6. So I times 6 here. Then I also times 6 here. That's how I got to this second line. You go sort that out. Okay, you go sort it out. But of course there are multiple methods. Some of you have already mentioned. One is you combine this side into one fraction. Then after you cross multiply, correct or not? Easy, right? Go get a hang of all these things.
What's a better method?
It's up to your own individual preference. Personally, it's the better method. Right? The better method is the method that you will not go wrong. Okay, it's up to you. That's why we show you different methods. So that some of you will prefer this one, some of you prefer that. Okay? Alright. Go back when you revise your algebra, go and look at your worksheets. Go and attempt those questions you got wrong. After you attempt again, if you're stuck or you finish already, go and check back with my solution whether you got it right or not. If you still get stuck, go and find out where you got stuck. That's the best way to revise. Okay, go through all the worksheets one more time. Especially those you got wrong. Okay? Alright. Okay. Next question. When you want to invert fractions, alright? Is that a true statement? Okay. If I want to invert, okay, if I invert the left side, I also must invert the right side. Are they still the same?
Yeah.
So, do you think you can invert the fraction both sides? You are allowed or not? Allowed or not allowed? Allowed, huh? Because when you have one fraction here, one fraction there equal, you can actually invert and they will be still equal. I just show it to you, right? Clear? Okay. Example 2. You see? Okay, now I invert the left side. So I follow with the right side. Correct or not?
No, wrong.
Is it correct? 4 plus 4 equals to 2?
No.
So this is wrong. So what's the difference? Simplify to what? One fraction. Did somebody say that? Okay? Correct. You only can do the inverse, but sit up. Since you move to the seat, your attention in class is very poor. Alright. When you want to invert the left side and the right side, there's one condition. In both sides you must have only one fraction. You get it? If not, you cannot invert both left and right. Okay? Before you invert, the left side must be one fraction, the right side must be one fraction. Then you can invert and say they're equal. I just show you to you clearly, right, by numbers, right? Okay? If you have one side got one fraction, the other side got 2 or 3 fraction, you cannot invert all of that. So basically, I cannot say that 4 is equals to b plus q. It's wrong. So what I have to do is, I have to combine one side first. But before that, I want to isolate q first because they want you to make q the subject. So what I did is, I put q one side, the rest one side. I cannot invert them yet because the right side got 2 fractions. So I combine the right side into one fraction first. Is it one fraction now?
Yes.
So can I invert both sides now? There I go ahead and convert. I invert them. This is q over 1, right? But do I have to write that? Q over 1 is same as q. Yes? How do I combine this?
Yeah.
How? How do you combine 2 fractions? Make the denominator same, right? So I times p here, I times p here, times 4 here, times 4 here, isn't it? Hey, it's the exact same thing that you do in your normal numerical fraction. If I give you 1/3 and 1/6, you know what to do? Half and 1/3 to combine. That's it.
3626 lah.
6 and wait, 3 6 and 2 6.
How lah?
2 times 3 times
The half denominator and numerator times 3 and then the 1 times denominator and numerator times 3.
Very good. Excellent.
Wow. It's the best.
So what if you have problem with this?
You have a genius.
Same or not? Hey, see every algebraic term you see there, it is actually a number, right?
Yeah.
It's only that you don't know the number.
Yeah.
A number is actually represented with the alphabet. But is it a number actually? It's just that a variable. It can be any number. So it's actually a number. So do it the same way. Isn't that why we have been stressing all the while? Correct? The alphabet is not an alphabet that you see in English. You cannot put them all together and make an essay out of them. Okay? The alphabet that you say, the letters that you say are actually representation of numbers. Right or Jukit? Sorry, Benoit. Right or Benoit? Benoit, sit up. You still haven't recovered yet lah? Okay lah?
You're all tired from yesterday.
What happened yesterday?
Okay. Yeah, let's not lose focus. This is basically the last 10 minutes I have before your common test.
What?
No what? Test Tuesday. What is it?
Oh my god, can we have lessons on Monday?
Alright. So remember this. So now only you all want.
So I take the test right after my class course when I haven't studied or anything.
People revise algebra first lah. Then e-learning got do right? E-learning mode.
Yeah.
So only left with graph right? Graph I can teach you, don't worry. So you better you learn or not, I don't know lah. I can teach you. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the last ditch effort to make you understand it clearly. The letters that you see are actually like numbers. They are actually representation of number. You can just work it as a normal fraction.
So in our mental working, can we put as other numbers? Like 3 as other numbers.
What?
Can, but the thing is, if you think the P is 3, you don't go times 3 here lah.
Obvious
Times
lah.
3 what? Right or not? So that's the danger.
I know.
Alright? Okay, let's go on. Hey, this is the champion of all champions. This guy, I don't know whether from this class or not. I don't know whether it's only one fella or not. The word problem question I don't know whether this class I have anyone
I don't think so.
Hey, you work hard. No, I'm talking about logic. When you're doing word problem, it can happen to you during the test. Question 5. Algebraic equation.
Is it 2t plus?
Can I finish what I'm saying? It's going to be more like a monologue now. So I need to cover a few things. Ready or not? You solve an equation, then this fella got the t value and negative something. I think negative 8 or something. And he left the answer there, t equals to negative 8.
What the hell is this? Not logical.
What's not logical?
Both sets are all.
You all are laughing at what?
It's a lie, they confirm what?
It's a length, right?
Yeah.
Can length be negative or not?
Oh.
Go into some, what do you call that? Black hole, is it?
Which one has put negative 8?
What?
Sekali is me.
So, see guys, if you're unknown, is actually, if you're unknown in the question, is length, weight, money, age. Can it be negative?
Hell.
Cannot, right? If you make mistakes, at least you must know you are making a mistake. Don't be such a blur sotong. Right? Now another one. This one must say. John, you listen, huh? If the question got part 1, part 2, part 3, if you put everything like a can of sardines, without any numbering, I'm going to give you one fat 0.
Why?
Okay, after John, you are the marker now.
They can.
And this student, listen,
I'm working for fun.
and this student has no statement, has this line, followed by this line, like this, no numbering. Let's still got the below part, third part, also together, all clustered together, no numbering. Do you know he's doing it correctly?
Yes.
How you know?
Because it's by order first.
So I must think for you lah.
Ah,
You see my responsibility?
I think for him.
You think for him, but is it your responsibility?
No.
How you know for sure that this is part 1 answer? You make sense out of it, right? What if he really blur, he actually don't know what he's doing, this is number 3 answer, this is number 2 answer, this is number 1 answer.
Makin mama.
Can you be very sure that he's not blur? Then how to give marks?
Hello, John.
Hey, better listen, If it's part 1, part 2, part 3 and you clutter all the answers together, I don't know whether you answer it correctly. You better name the part. If it's a part 1 answer, you make sure you put part 1. See, you just have to put part 1 at the start of the question, like this, then you solve and then you finish here. Then you start part 3 separately, you leave the small space, just do part 3, solve. I don't understand why you don't number your parts. Hey, what the hell are you all learning in primary school?
Go line.
Yes.
So among sardines in the can is
Right, very right statement. Okay, alright. You better take this seriously. If there are parts, make sure you number them. Stop. Don't argue with me for anything else. Right? Okay, that's it for that. Okay, this question. This is going to fundamental algebra, the simplification.
Oh, this one.
Okay, a lot of you left your answer here. In algebra, it is necessary that every answer is simplified. Is that clear? Every answer needs to be simplified. If you look at this, if I multiply 1/3 inside, will I get another number?
Yeah.
I'll get 5/3, right? You'll get this, isn't it? See, there's a number outside, right? So you must combine them. That means you must expand the bracket and simplify. You get it? So everything in algebra, when you make an equation or make an expression, you must simplify it. Alright? So from here you must simplify. Either you leave it like this or like this, doesn't matter. Okay, but you must combine this and this together because it's not simplified. Yes, Andrew. Yeah, Mr. Sam. What's that, Mr. Sam?
Oh, Mr.
Mary.
Fix file.
Did I say that in the question I already tell you what it is? Then
Oh my god, Andrew, you're so dumb.
Okay. If the question is already specified, you don't. Hey. 2 minutes left. If the question has already specified what is the variable, then you just use it. If don't have, then you must write the let the x be something. Okay, good point. But wrong question.
Excuses, Angel. Yeah, that's why we never mentioned it.
It's good to be challenged in the class.
Don't guess it lah, don't just try to help right.
Right.
You guess a bit lah.
Hey, all the master genius who always get it wrong. Don't be lazy. If you cannot straight away do this, put the invisible bracket when you combine the fraction. Go back and check. I got about 2/3 of the class getting this wrong.
Oh shit.
This is fundamental algebra worksheet 4, question C. 1C.
Oh yeah, I remember.
2/3 of the class get this wrong. All because you don't put the invisible bracket. Want to be smart, straight away combine. But this is the final verdict. You're not smart.
Final body, yeah.
You get it wrong, means not smart, right?
So,
There's such as careless mistake.
how can I be so
Mr. Wing, there's such as careless mistake.
You got it?
I got it!
Don't careless mistake lah.
What lah?
Put the invisible bracket.
I did it myself later. I said it, I got it.
Okay, those who got it, good. Okay? Okay, history repeats itself. But this thing takes time. Again here. This one not so big mistake. Invisible bracket. Same fundamental algebra. 4, but only one page. Next page, next page.
Yeah, the plus there becomes a minus.
Okay, I tell you why it is solution over here. Yeah, you accent right. Okay, alright, guys, get the last one. Okay, your problem, main problem lies in algebraic fraction. Go back and look at fundamental algebra worksheet 4, 5. 5 is factorization, another big problem. Okay, this page 22. Okay, this basically this worksheet 4 and 5. Alright, one is on the algebraic fraction, one is on factorization. Very bad. You need a lot of check on that. Okay, the solutions are there. Go and take a look at it. Alright. Next here. Yes. Oh shit. I'll give back your one. Okay.
I'm going to study for you, Mr. Ray.
Me told him you're studying for.
Enjoy your study, but I can't even.